Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought today it would be fun, especially on a Friday, to do a quick review of a planner. So today I have the Amplify planner for you. This planner actually comes from Chelsea over at Chelsea Brown Designs. Funny enough, I was actually reaching out to her to place a custom sticker order, and she had mentioned that she had created this planner last year, and would I mind if she sent me one along with my sticker order. And I was really excited because I haven't really taken a look at a new planner in quite some time, and I thought it would be really fun to share with you guys. So she sent me one of her Amplify planners. I have kind of heard of these here and there on Instagram and places like that, but I actually haven't seen one in person for myself, so I thought this would be really cool. So what I ended up ordering from her was some header stickers for another plum paper planner that I ordered, and she was just really so easy to work with. So I'm going to set those aside because that's going to be for a whole different video. So what the Amplify planner is, it is actually a 3-month quarterly planner that includes monthly, weekly, and daily layouts all in one, to include some like year at a glance views and things like that. So I'm just going to get this box out of the way. The shipping and packaging, all of that was really great. Everything was wrapped in bubble wrap. She also included some additional notebooks here. I actually haven't had a chance to take a look at these, but these are a pocket calendar and a pocket notebook. So I will set those aside and get this box out of the way. The box alone, I was like, this is cute. It's really cute. Okay, so here we go. And mine is actually in the color Ice Blue. The original price of this planner is $30, but I just checked the website today when I'm filming this, and it is on sale for $20, which is fantastic. So like I said, it is a 3-month quarterly planner. So this is actually a January through March planner. It does have the weekly, daily, and monthly layouts. When you open it up, even though I have the Ice Blue, it just kind of has this really nice gray, I can't remember what this pattern is called, but it's just gray and white. And then on the title page, you have Amplify Planner. If found, please return to. And one of the things I definitely want to point out is that this comes on a traditional coil, which you guys know is my favorite type of binding. And it's a good, strong coil. It's not a very flimsy coil at all. So like I said, you have your title page, a place to write your name and your contact information. Then you come to this page, and it has just welcome to the Amplify planner and a little bit about their story and a letter from Chelsea and all of their social media places where you can find them. And then it kind of gives you a breakdown of each of the layouts and their purpose, if you will. Next, you have the 2021 and 2022 year at a glance. I really love that that was included in here, even though this is just a quarterly planner. And then you also have the holidays on here for both years, which is also awesome, and a place to really write some notes for yourself on the right. And like a lot of planners, it has this special date section. What I'm really liking so far is that this is like a really neutral planner. I don't see any color on the pages whatsoever, which is great if you don't really want any color on your pages. Then you've got a little section for goals. You can write down your 3-month goals, and obviously that makes sense because this is a 3-month planner, but it has all of these sections for you, like business, family and friends, romance, personal development, health and fitness, finance, recreation, and spiritual, and then a place to actually break it down for you. So that is pretty cool. I like that that's kind of integrated. Oh, this page is really thick. So this is the month page. So you don't have like a fancy like month quote thing. It just goes right into the month of January. Like a true planner person, I love that the tab is on the month, and the tab is very strong. This is very durable. It is not going to break or bend on you. I really like that. So here is your month view. And one of the things that I can tell you I instantly love is that there are lines on each square of the month view. Again, a very neutral layout. You have an area to write your monthly focus, an area to write some lists for maybe some things you need to do or bills you need to pay, along with a habit tracker built in already for you. And I truly love that there are lines on the month view. All right, let's hop right in. And another thing that I wanted to mention is that this planner is a sort of traditional 7x10 planner. So if I were to grab my, say like my Moxie Life, it's like the planner that I have closest to me. It is pretty similar in size, except it's just slightly taller than the Moxie Life. And then I was going through some of my old content planners, and I have an old EC, and you can see the difference in size. It's like the same width, but not the same height, in case you were wondering about size there. All right, let's get back to the inside of the planner. So after the month view, you do have your week view. It is horizontal, and there is grid print on each day, which is kind of neat. I mean, especially because if you just don't want like lists, you can make lists, or you can draw in here if you want to. I feel like the grid really gives you the flexibility to do whatever you want in this layout. Again, you have an area with the day and the month, and then what your focus is going to be, what you need to keep in mind, and a life balance activity. You do get a month view up here on the right. On the bottom, you do have another area for notes and next week's reminders. Then here is where you go into the daily pages. So this page right here is all dot grid for you, which you guys know I love. And then you have a schedule column right here that goes from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. And actually it's not marked p.m. or a.m., so you could kind of really make it work however you want. You've got an area for today's priorities, your work tasks, your personal tasks, your daily habits, and then 4 gray shaded lined boxes for you to do whatever you want. Then I love that this bottom part down here is completely dot grid for you, so you can do whatever you want. You can get super decorative, add more lists, whatever it is that you need to do. There is a lot for you on this page, and I kind of wanted to show you guys up close what it looks like so you can see all of the lines and shading for yourself. But this is a really neat daily layout. And again, I love that it's on a traditional spiral. So there you go. You have every day of the week, and then you're going to go into your weekly layout and so on. So then when you get to the end of the month, I just kind of want to make sure I'm not missing anything. The month is going to end, and you're going to go straight into the next month and so on. So you have the month view, your week view, and your daily view. And it's great. I love, again, how neutral it is and how much you just get some very structured space at the top, but then you have a bunch of free space at the bottom, but you're really not sacrificing anything. Another good thing to point out is that Saturday and Sunday, like these pages right here, get their own day. So you're not having to share anything, which is really great. And I love that they include work tasks even on Saturday and Sunday, because a lot of people don't work traditional Monday through Friday jobs. So then the last month, of course, in this first quarter book is March. So again, you have your monthly view, your week view, and then your daily pages for the month of March. Then when you get to the end, this is what I really love, is that April month view is actually in here. So you're technically getting 4 month views, and but that's going to be where it ends. You won't get the daily view. What you do get is a quarter end review. You guys know I love like reviews and reflections and things like that. So it even tells you now that you've reached the end of the quarter, you can look back at where you stood at the beginning of the quarter and evaluate where you are now and what you can improve on and so on. I love reflection pages like this. So it even gives you an area to go to write out what went well, what didn't go according to plan, what did, things like that. I really, really like that. Then you also get a ton of notes pages. So you actually get 10 dot grid note pages in the back. I love that all the pages are dot grid. I don't like lined pages. So this is actually perfect. Yeah, that's a substantial amount of dot grid pages for a planner like this. You also get a 2-pocket folder in the back, which I love. So you have one on the front and the back here to store whatever you need, invitations, bills, extra stickers if you wanted to use stickers in here. So I think that that's really great. And then you have the back cover. The cover is not removable, and I kind of want to try and see if the spiral, well, it wouldn't matter because this won't fit on here, but I don't know that there are interchangeable options for this brand as far as a cover goes. Now, the paper is 80-pound bright white, so that means it's really going to hold up with a lot of your pens, which is awesome. And the cover material is a synthetic paper, so it does feel very durable, but it is not glossy. It is like a matte. It almost feels like buttery soft, which I really like. And I also love that the tabs are indeed protected. So you can see the tabs there, but then from the side you see they are not sticking out. So if you're someone who accidentally puts your book inside of a bag and you're worried about the tabs getting bent, that's not going to happen. But I'm telling you, like, this is one of like the best quality tabs I have seen in a long time. Like, these are very well made. So that is everything for the Amplify planner. Again, it is 20 bucks on sale right now, this specific color. I did notice on the website that some of the other colors were not on sale yet, but I'm sure that they will change that. So let's take a quick look at some of these notebooks really quick. Okay, so the pocket notebooks from Amplify Planner are just $5. I love when there are like companion books to a planner, and the cover feels just the same. It's that nice like buttery feeling. I love this green color so much. This one is a lined notebook, and like I said, it is $5. It doesn't seem like it comes with that many pages, but it seems like it's just enough to kind of carry along with your planner, and it does fit nicely in that back pocket, which is great. And just for reference, it is college ruled, and it does come with 32 pages. And this book is 5 by 8, and this is on 80-pound matte paper. All right, let's take a look at the pocket calendar. I have this in the color Periwinkle. This is a really pretty color, and the material is, yep, it is definitely the same. That is so pretty. So this is a 2021 pocket calendar. You have a title page, of course, a year at a glance for both 2021 and 2022, and then you have your month view. And I want to see, is this only monthly? Yep, it looks like it's just monthly, which is kind of neat. I kind of like books like this that are just monthly. So you do get all of the 12 months for 2021 in here, and a couple of dot grid note pages in the back, not a ton. And that's all, that's really it. But if you really just need a quick little month at a glance kind of book and not a large planner to carry with you, this is also only $5, which I think is really cool for a monthly book like this. And again, it slides in the back of the planner, which is great because you could use this for something else like tracking workouts, tracking things that you might not want to track in your big planner in the monthly view. You could do your meal planning in here. I've seen a lot of people do meal planning a month at a time, and if you don't really need a whole lot of notes pages, this is really great for that. Like, now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, I'm like, you know what, this would make a great monthly meal planner, and then you just toss it in your bag and plan meals accordingly. So I think that that's really cool. I think everything so far from this brand, which is completely new to me, is very well and accurately priced. I think that the planner itself is extremely well made for the price. I would not have expected this to be just $20 because, again, it's neutral, like completely neutral. You're getting your months, you're getting your weeks, you're getting your daily view, and yes, it's just a quarter, but let's be real, we spend just that much for a full year planner. So you could essentially get 6 months for about 40 bucks. I think that that's great. And yeah, this is really nice. I'm gonna link the website down below so that you guys can take a look for it yourself. But I hope that you guys enjoyed me sharing this brand with you. I don't know if you're new to this brand as well, but yeah, I'm really glad that I had a chance to check this out. All right, that's it for this video today, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure that if you are subscribed that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.